Hello students, in this video we will be covering question 2 from exercise 7.3. It says in each of the following find the value of k for which the points are collinear. I will come to the point, discuss what does it mean by collinear and how do we get the value of k. We have been given the first problem is 7 comma minus 2, 5 comma 1 and 3 comma k. These are supposed to be the points of a triangle. Now when it says collinear means that it is a line on which there are a set of points. Those points are said to be collinear when they lie along this line. Now if these points which are supposed to be the vertices, okay, how are the vertices? This way, right? They form vertices when two lines join like this. So they form some angle, right? Now if these points which we have been told, these points which coincidentally also happen to be the vertices of a triangle happen to be collinear, which means that all these points merge on one particular line, this line, okay. That means the area, what will happen to this area? It will become 0, okay. It's like saying you have this triangle, right, and you have this particular, these two lines forming the triangle. Now in this case what happens is both these lines merge with this line. So it's saying this line slowly bends to finally merge with this line. Same thing happens with this particular line, okay. It's supposed to be this way, then it comes down and finally merges with this. So ultimately what happens is this particular line is the way it is, but this line comes and merges with this line, and this line comes and merges with this line. So both of them curve inside and merge with this particular line. Finally you have just one line. So then what happens to these vertices? All of them are found on one particular line. But then if all of them, the three lines merge together, what happens to the area, the space between them? It becomes 0. So that means if these points are collinear, that means the area of the triangle forming this using these points to form its vertices also becomes 0, okay. So first let us assume that thing. So assume the vertices. So let A 7 comma minus 2, B 5 comma 1 and C 3 comma K be the vertices of triangle ABC, okay. Now points A, B and C are collinear if triangle ABC, sorry, area of triangle ABC equal to 0, okay. So the area of triangle becomes 0 if these points which we say are collinear. That means this area of triangle should be 0. So now let's use the formula of area of triangle ABC over here, and we'll keep 0 on the right hand side. So area of triangle is given by half into x1 into x2 y2, okay. In brackets is always y coordinate, y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2, close the bracket. Whole thing equal to 0 because we said area of triangle is equal to 0. Now let us substitute here. This is x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, okay. So half into x1 which is 7, y2 is 1 minus y3 which is k plus x2 which is 5, y3 which is k minus y1 which is minus 2, close the bracket, plus x3 which is 3, y1 which is minus 2 minus y2 which is 1, close the bracket, equal to 0. Okay. Now 1 minus k will remain like that. So 7 into 1 gives us 7. 7 into minus k gives us minus 7k, followed by minus into minus gives us positive 2. So k plus 2 we get. So 5 into k gives us 5k. 5 into positive 2 will give positive 10. Minus 2 and minus 1 gives us minus 3. Minus 3 into positive 3 gives us minus 9. Close the bracket, equal to 0. Now this 2 which is divided over here, I'll take it on the other side and it gets multiplied with 0, it becomes 0. So this will be left with 7 plus 10 gives us, so I'll just do it plus 10. Plus 10 minus 9 gives us positive 1. 1 plus 7 gives us 8. So we have 8. 7 minus 7k plus 5k gives us minus 2k equal to 0. So if you are wondering where this 2 is gone, what I've done is, since this is divided, 2 is divided and this becomes a numerator, I have taken 2 and multiplied it with 0. It has gone on the other side and got multiplied with 0, and it is 2 into 0 is gives us 0. So then we are left with just 1 into this bracket. So I have not written that 1, I have just solved this further, and solving we have got 8 minus 2k. Now 2k I will take on the other side, it will become positive. So we get 2k equal to 8, and 2 and 8 cancel, 2 1 the 2, 2 4 the 8, we get k equal to 4. Okay, so that is our answer, that is the answer for the first problem. The next problem under exercise 7.2, the second question is 8 comma 1, k comma minus 4 and 2 comma minus 4. So once again we will assume let A 8 comma 1, B k comma minus 4 and C here and C 2 comma minus 5 be the vertices of triangle ABC. Okay. Now points A, B and C are collinear if area of triangle ABC equal to 0. And area of triangle ABC is given by half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y2 plus x3 into y1 minus y2, whole thing in brackets, and this will be equal to 0 since area of triangle is given equal to 0. This is your x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. So let's just substitute half into x1 is 8, y2 is minus 4, y3 is minus 5, close the bracket, x2 is k, y3 is minus 5, minus y2 is 1 plus x3 is 2, y1 is 1 minus y2 is minus 4, close the bracket, whole thing equal to 0. Once again 2 I take on the other side, it will become 0 and we are just left with this bracket then. So minus into minus gives us positive, so positive 5 minus 4 gives us plus 1, plus 1 into 8 gives us 8. So we have 8, then we have minus 5 and minus 1, that gives us minus 6. Minus 6 into positive k gives us minus 6k. Next you have minus into minus gives us positive 4 plus 1, so that is positive 5. Positive 5 into positive 2 gives us plus 10 equal to 0. I'll take 6k on the other side. 8 plus 10 is 18, so 6k equal to 18. 6 1s are 6, 6 3s are 18, k is equal to 3. Okay. So this way we can find the unknown coordinate, okay, if we are given that these points are of a triangle which are collinear. Okay, so with this we finished solving question 2 under exercise 7.3. If you have liked watching this video, please hit the like button. So please subscribe to the channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon to receive notification whenever new video is posted. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.